I dreamt of jackfruit. What does this dream mean? Explain plainly.
I'm a psychologist and I'll explain.
Dreamed of eating jackfruit.
The food in your dream is what your body is subconsciously craving. You can satisfy your desire straight away by eating jackfruit in reality. If you dream of eating jackfruit, you should actually eat jackfruit in reality.
In the theory of Jung, the master of dream interpretation, dreams express unconscious states and deep psychological messages in symbolic form. When food appears in a dream, it can be a sign of attention to physical health and nutrition, but it can also be the voice of the mind seeking spiritual satisfaction and fulfillment.
In this channel, I ask people who have had strange dreams to write down the content of their dreams, and I will respond with my interpretation of the dream. Of course, it is free. Please feel free to comment. Here is a comment on a dream about food and my interpretation of the dream.
Dreamt of everyone eating a large amount of cereal, and as I was going to get my plate, it was finished as I would have to go to the other room to get more.
Thanks for your comment. In your dream, many people are eating cereal and you don't have enough of it. Or it may come from anxiety that your needs are not being met by others. The part about having to go to another room to get more indicates that you need to go beyond your usual scope or visit a new place or environment to get what you want. This dream may teach you that you have the power to find a solution through your own efforts. This dream is a good opportunity to reevaluate any stress or anxiety you may be feeling in your real life. It may be a lack of recognition at work or low satisfaction in interpersonal relationships. It may be a lack of recognition at work or low satisfaction in interpersonal relationships. It may be a lack of recognition at work or low satisfaction in interpersonal relationships. I hope that my dream interpretation will improve your life. I hope that next time you have a good dream and your life will improve. I hope that next time you have a good dream and your life will improve. You are welcome to comment if you like. If a particular food, especially jackfruit, appears in your dream, it may be associated with a particular emotion, experience, or desire. For example, the appearance of jackfruit in a dream may reflect a desire for fresh, nutritious food in real life. This video describes jackfruit dreams in the following order. Dreams of eating jackfruit, followed by dreams of cooking, dreams involving sexual desire, dreams of planting a jackfruit tree, and dreams of harvesting mature jackfruit. Please look for the part of the situation in your jackfruit dream and select only the necessary parts. Even in reality, jackfruit is a mass of energy. The fact that you eat jackfruit or get jackfruit in your dream indicates that the desire you want to satisfy now is appetite.
I dreamed I was buying jackfruit.
The dream of buying jackfruit also represents the desire for jackfruit. If you are in a situation where jackfruit is not available to you right now, then eating a regular banana is a good idea. And the state of the jackfruit in your dream represents your stress level.
If the jackfruit in your dream is fresh and in good condition, it means that you are in good physical condition now. It is a time when the fruits of your hard work and effort will finally take shape and pay off.
I dreamed that I cooked jackfruit and then ate it.
If you cook the jackfruit in your dream, the interpretation of the dream will also depend on how you cooked it. Cooking is something you think about yourself and actually do with your hands. The fact that you were cooking in your dream indicates that you have something you are working on in the real world right now. The fact that you are cooking in your dream indicates that you are working on something in the real world and not just passively dealing with the situation. If the cooking in the dream went well, it indicates that you are confident that what you are working on in the real world will work. On the other hand, if the cooking did not go well, it indicates that you are not confident in what you are doing.
I've been feeling good lately. I eat jackfruit in real life, and I've been eating jackfruit in my dreams.
I see. That's very good. That means you have energy. You eating jackfruit or getting jackfruit in your dream indicates that the desire you want to fulfill is being fulfilled right now. If you are eating jackfruit in real life and you see it in your dream, you are in a very good place right now. Believe in yourself and try a new job. You are in a time of increased power to make money. Dreaming of jackfruit is related to your money matters. If you dream of eating jackfruit in your dream, it indicates that you will no longer have to worry about your finances. Also, your mental state is in a very good time, so you will have a good time even if you invite the opposite sex to play with you.
Oh, you're a sucker for Freud's dream interpretation. That's a good point.
Dreaming of bananas is often associated with sexual symbolism, according to Freud's theory. By interpreting dream symbolism, Freud sought to reveal unconscious desires and needs. In particular, food or objects of a particular shape may be seen as a manifestation of hidden sexual desires or repressed sexual energy. The specific meaning of the banana dream is deeply dependent on the dreamer's personal feelings and life circumstances, so its interpretation is difficult to generalize. But Freudian theory suggests that such dreams can trigger exploration of the sexual aspect of the self and repressed desires.
I miss the jackfruit.
That's too bad, because dreaming about missing out on eating jackfruit suggests that you will not get what you want. Dreaming that there is jackfruit in front of you, but somehow you can't eat it is a stressful dream.
Surely I'm not feeling well right now.
When you dream that you could not eat the jackfruit, unfortunately, you are not feeling well. What you desire seems to be slipping through your hands and going far away. You are likely to lose sight of important things such as your job success, your dreams, or your lover. You might want to be prepared to start over with a fresh start. The dream in which you give someone a jackfruit is a dream in which you have a desire to give power to the person to whom you gave the jackfruit in the dream. If you dream of eating jackfruit with someone, you are dreaming when you want to spend more time with that person. If you can take the time, you should try to talk to the person in your dream in the real world and spend time with them if possible.
Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you like it, please click the good button. Please also subscribe to our channel. Then you will also be able to learn about dreams on this channel. If you have another mysterious dream, please watch this channel. Thank you.
Psycho just explained.
Dream analysis make you happy.
This YouTube channel provides dream interpretations in the comment section. There are over 1,000 comments so far, and there are hundreds of other dream interpretation videos.
After all, what does this dream mean?
According to Tibetan Buddhist psychology, all our experiences are subjective and are not substantially different from what we originally call dreams, according to a researcher named Stephen LaBarge. According to him, the interpretation is that dreams are rehearsals for living. You have rehearsed to live in this dream. In this way, I believe you can find meaning in your dreams.
I understand. I'm not sure about this dream, but I'll try to find the meaning of my dream.
That is good. After all, I can only support you. Dreams are for you to interpret and use in your life. I hope you will change your life happily through your dream interpretation.